Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with My Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make my sugar-free coffee syrups. I'm going to make 3 different flavors. So let's start off pouring half a cup of water into each saucepan. Add a half a cup of allulose to each pan. Now turn the heat up to about medium. Now I'm going to stir this up to make sure that that sugar substitute breaks down and gets dissolved into the water. This will take a little while before this water turns clear again, but just keep stirring it and bring it to a boil. Soon as each saucepan comes to a boil, remove it from the heat and turn the fire off. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to pour the solution back into the ramekins, but you can leave the solution in the pan to cool. Now that these are cooled down to lukewarm, I'm going to add my cake batter flavoring to the first ramekin. And I use 1.5 teaspoons. Now, if you know me, I love saving jars, and these were just perfect for these coffee syrups. Now I'm going to add the almond flavoring to the second ramekin, and I use 1.5 teaspoons also. But for the hazelnut flavoring, I added 2 teaspoons because the flavoring wasn't strong enough. The aroma in the kitchen is so amazing because these were lukewarm. It kind of filled the kitchen up with those flavors. Each one is about 6 ounces after completion. These bottles turned out perfect to use because they have a flip top on 2 of them, and you can just pour these out with ease. The allulose sugar is so nice because it dissolves so clear, and the flavoring is almost exactly like sugar. Thank you for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.